Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now let's take a look at the gold market. Well, you see, guys, that on the gold market we see some progress to the upside. In the recent news, there is information from the physical traders, the spot traders, that points on some brief shy increase in demand in India on the spot market. In general, they tell that overall demand on the physical market stands weak, but they see some positive signs of increasing, although that's really only initial signs and they are really shy, but they still exist, and they hope that some increasing and further growth of the physical demand will continue in the nearest future. Right now on the daily chart, not much comment could be made. The major point here is the same, that market still stands above 1270 and keeps chances on the possible upward continuation. And you will see that for the two sessions market has struggled with intraday confidence resistance in 1290 area, but today, right now, market's trying to move higher, and we will see what will really happen, because as market will remain above this 1270, it will keep the chance on the possible reverse head and shoulders pattern in action to the upside. That's what we would like to get in the nearest future. On the intraday charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that market could form this ABC bottom pattern D, so the target approximately 13, even 1303 area with this ABCD pattern. That's also not really bad resistance, since this is the fib resistance and weekly pivot resistance one. That will be the next short-term destination. But as market, our concern on the possible free drive buy is still exist, because market hasn't quite reached the 127 extension of most recent action. Well, this really could happen, but right now, in a very short-term perspective for today's trading session, the chances on the possible continuation to the upside is greater, because if you take a look at the hourly chart, take a look that our concern yesterday was with this butterfly. And we said, depending on how market will behave around the weekly pivot point, it will clarify what to expect, either ABCD up or butterfly down. And as you can see, this really was the solid struggle at the end of the previous session, when the market is calling around weekly pivot points, really move up, move down, move up, move down, bounce down, and only after that market has moved up. So it means that this, in fact, was the challenge of this resistance, 1291 resistance area. So market has tested it once, moves below, and if market will fail here, it could mean that market even hasn't made an attempt to challenge this resistance for a second time. Okay? And that could prove that market really is weak and is ready to move down. But since market has returned right back up close above the weekly pivot point, and by this action market has taken out of this high, and by this action market has erased this butterfly absolutely. Okay? That's why, in the short-term perspective, this probably will lead to appearing of the ABCD pattern to the upside and the target approximately in the 13 even area. At the same time, we could get, guys, another pattern, right? And this pattern could be another butterfly. That could be really interesting. Just a minute, we will simpler to draw another one. That could be butterfly to the upside. You can see that the 1618 destination of this butterfly stands in agreement with this possible ABCD pattern that we have just discussed. Okay, so that's probably will be the pattern to watch for, and that is the short-term setup. So if you trade on the intraday charts, the gold market, you could think about the taking long position on a retracement of this thrust up, taking some long position with the target somewhere in this area. That's very short-term setup. What we will get after that, well, we will see. Because tactically and for the current trading session, yes, market seems bullish and we probably will reach the next destination point at 30 even. What will follow next, the concern about this possible 3 drive is still here, and we will see what will happen.